Hello everyone, myself Shashank and I'm studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Subject DMS, topic additive group of integer modulo n. Additive group of integer modulo n. Introduction to additive group of integer modulo n. The additive group of integer modulo n consists of the integers of 0, 1, 2, so on n minus 1. The group of operation under the additive model n, meaning the sum wraps around after reaching the n. Understanding this group is essential for concepts in abstracts, algebra and the number theory. Definition of modulo n operation. The modulo n operation finds the remaining after the division of the number by n another. For an integer a and a n where n is less than 0, comma, a mod n gives the remaining where a is divided by bn. This operation is fundamental in defining the structure of the additive group of integer model n. Group properties. A set with a binary operation must satisfy for four properties behind the group: closely associative, identity, and inverse. The set of integer mod n is closed under the additive. The sum of two integer modo n is also an integer mod n. The identity element in this group is 0, as adding 0 the element held the element unchanged. Closure under addition. Closure means that where you add any two elements for this group, the result is also in this group. For example, in z slash 5, adding 3 and 5 L2, which is still within the set. A set is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The additive group of integer modulo n is closed under the addition. Associative of addition. The operation of addition in the group associative, that is a plus b plus c is equals to a plus b plus c for all a, b, c in this group. The properties ensure that the way we group the addition do not affect the results. Associative is a curricular expective that conform the structure of the group. The identity element. The identity element is the adding of a group of an integer. Modo n is 0. Adding 0 to an element as a result in A satisfy the identity property of the group. Every group must have identity element, and it is in this case 0 fulfills that row. Inverse in the group. Every element in the group must have an inverse b such that a plus b is equals to 0. Mod n. For instance, the inverse of 3 in z slash 5 is 2, such that 3 plus 2 mod 5 is equals to 0. This property ensures that every element can cancel out to the return to the identity element. Finite group structure. The group of integer mod n is finite, contains exactly n elements. The finiteness leads to an interesting property such as flexibility and the existence of generators. Finite groups are signified in various mathematics applications, including cryptography. Cyclic nature of the group. The additive group of an integer mod n modulo n is cyclic, meaning it can be generated by a single element. For example, in z slash 5, the element 1 generates the entire group, since repeat the addition of 1 produces all members. Understanding cyclic group in key in many areas of mathematics, including group theory. Applications of additive group. The additive group of integer modulo n as an application in coding theory, in cryptography and the computer science. It helps in constructing errors and correcting the codes and algorithm so data transmission. Additionally, this group structures is used in creating hash functions and random number generator. Feel free to modify any of the contents are needed. Thank you.